time for us then to move on to product innovations. After all, that's what our show is all about. Now, IIT Mumbai professor Dr. Shantaram Kane actually has an event. It's called Innovations, and it's got the country's most innovative products on display. We took a trip to Pune to get you the lowdown.
The 3 best ways to kill innovation. Rule number 1. Stop acting like a child. Rule number 2. Stop dreaming. And finally, rule number 3. Be the devil's advocate. 16 innovators who clearly didn't follow these rules made their way to Pune to showcase themselves at Innovations 2011. Organized by the alumni of IIT Bombay, the event attracted an audience of over 300 corporate leaders, investors and scholars. The event is the brainchild of Dr. Shantaram Kane, who also had the tough task of choosing the final 14 innovations that were displayed, each innovation with its own independent story.
There are other, essentially very low-cost, simple ideas like Ladkat's stretcher. He did say, but it may not have caught people, that he sat on it and he travelled down the river for 3 kilometers just to prove. Here is a simple stretcher, but it overcomes a lot of difficulties with what is currently available. It is multifunctional, low cost.
One innovation which clearly caught the fancy of everyone in the audience was Jaldoot, a mobile solution to purify water from any fresh water source into drinking water. An innovation that came to purify water from any fresh water source into drinking water. An innovation that came out of listening to the challenges female folk deal with in villages.
We found that the villager ladies are in need of very good safe drinking water, and we made a stationary unit, and the ladies started telling us in the village that we go to the open well to wash our clothes and the utensils, and we come back home with a pint of water, but we don't have time to go to another point and collect the water. So they say, can you deliver this water at our home? And that is what motivated us to put it as a filtration unit on a mobile system.
LifePlot was another innovative product which caught the eye, or in this case, the heart. This compact ECG device acquires your ECG record and wirelessly transmits it over the internet into the hands of your cardiologist.
Here you have a complete ECG, which can be scrolled and viewed. Once you're sure you got the ECG right, you just need to sit tight. At this point, your phone is alerted and you have an ECG on your mobile phone.
From healthcare to robotics, there were innovations from over 6 different sectors, and all innovators left with introspective feedback. Feedback which could well see them fine-tuning their innovations before they expand their market. From a class 10 dropout to an 83-year-old zoologist, well, innovators knew no boundaries here at Innovations 2011 Pune. One thing to learn from them all: keep the child in you alive and you might just end up building yourself a great company.